We had a weather impact alert in effect for today. Thankfully, storm chances have subsided. Weekend looks really pleasant. Next storm chance I'm tracking and next weather impact alert is going to be Monday afternoon into Tuesday. It's a wide range of times I'm currently monitoring. I'm going to refine the forecast. No, some of the storms we see Cinco de Mayo afternoon into Tuesday could be on the strong to severe side. Wind and hail looking to be the main threats. Can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. I don't think I would cancel any outdoor plans at this point until we get a little bit more clarity. Just know it's a day to keep an eye on the radar and stay weather aware. If you haven't already, go ahead and download that Fox West Texas mobile app. That's going to alert you to any watches or warnings that get issued across the area. We saw a couple watches issued for our area today and one tornado warning in Kimball County. Thankfully, nothing nearly as powerful going on like that right now. Just a little shower near the hill country, and through the weekend, other than the passing shower, it honestly looks really pleasant. We'll see those low temperatures in the 50s, highs in the 70s, so it's going to feel really nice. And then Monday, that's when we're going to start to see the dry line. Remember, the dry line's that boundary between the bone dry desert air and the moisture from the Gulf. When those two air masses clash, that's when you get thunderstorms to rise. And I think we'll start seeing that Monday afternoon, and then I think those storms will kind of form a cluster and move through the area Monday night into Tuesday. So just stay weather aware. I'm going to be keeping an eye on it. Temperatures in the 60s right now. You see those winds coming out of the northwest. That's the cooler air coming in behind the cold front. 66 Junction, 63 Abilene, sitting at 67 in San Angelo. Before I talk too much about the May forecast, let's talk numbers for the month of April. It was a very warm month despite how wet it was. The average temperature, that averages the high temperature and the low temperature for San Angelo, was 69.7 degrees. Compare that to the typical average of 67.1 degrees. 68.3 Abilene. Compare that to the typical average of 66 degrees. It was a warm month, also very wet, nearly 6 inches of rain for the whole month of April in Abilene, and nearly 2 3/4 of an inch recorded at San Angelo Mathis Airport. Now, unfortunately, this did come with severe weather and flooding. The good news is that 25 has been a very dry year, so this did make a pretty noticeable difference, especially in the big country. Tomorrow's election day, going to be a great day to get out and vote. Going to be sunny skies, lows right around 50, so if you find yourself voting right as polls open, you're probably going to want a jacket. It'll be 50 degrees as you head out the door. Winds coming out of the north, slowly turning out of the east about 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Temperatures around that lunch hour around 71, and highs tomorrow looking to be in the upper 70s. I'm officially forecasting a high of 78 both Saturday and Sunday. 10% chance of a stray storm, can't completely rule it out. Most of us going to stay completely dry. Weather impact alert in effect during Monday. That's that red shaded box, just to let you know to stay weather aware. High of 75 with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in Abilene. High of 80 for your Tuesday. And you'll notice just about every day on my weather forecast has some sort of a chance of rain. So just make sure you pay attention to the forecast. Keep an eye on the sky. You can always find the latest forecast update on our website and the latest on social media. Back to you.
On Weather